Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of selling price and cost price, and the question has been taken from the SNAP 2022 exam. Now the question is as follows. The cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X articles. If the profit is 25%, then the value of X is. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option 1 15, option 2 16, option 3 18 and option 4 none of these. So this was our question and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that the cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X articles. So let's take the total cost price of 20 articles as A. So I can say that selling price of X articles automatically become A. So by that, it implies that CP of one article is A by 20 and the selling price of one article is A by X. Now it is given that if the profit is 25%, then what is the value of X? So it is pretty simple. Profit is nothing but how many times the selling price is more than the cost price. So since it is 25%, so can I say that selling price is equal to 1.25 the cost price. So by using this, I will simply get the value of X. So my selling price is A by X. My cost price is A by 20. So 1.25 into A by 20. Now A and A will get cancelled and I'll simply have X is equal to 20 divided by 1.25, and upon calculation X comes out to be 16. So you can see that we have solved the question very simply by using the simple method, that is, profit is nothing but how many times my selling price is more than cost price. And we should also follow the normal rules so that you step by step get to your solution. So our answer is option number 2, 16.